Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the total sum of a list without using a sum function and slicing functionality. So let's start the tutorial. Py sum of list.py, click enter. And notice here I got the original string this is the original string. Now I got the total value, the sum of the total in this list is 24.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here we got the Python-tutorials folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will create one new Python file called sum of list.py, and here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is get the total sum of list without using the sum function and slicing functionality. So first we require one list. In this list I am adding some numbers. Make sure give only numbers here. If you add any strings, you will get an error. I want to get the total sum of these numbers in this list. First print the original string. The original string is list1. After that, let's add one total is equals to 0. Total is equals to 0. Then for x in list1 total plus is equals to, I am adding x. Then print the sum of list elements is equals to total. That's it. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. The command is to check the final output of our application. Total sum of the list, py sum of list.py, click enter. And notice here I got the original string this is the original string. Now I got the total value, the sum of the total in this list is 24. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to get the sum of total list without using the sum function and slicing functionality. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.